Building a fast website using AI involves leveraging AI-powered tools and techniques to optimize various aspects of your website, including performance, user experience, and content delivery. Here's a guide on how to build a fast website using AI. Choose a fast hosting provider. Select a hosting provider known for its speed and reliability. Look for providers that offer SSD storage, content delivery network CDN integration, and server-side caching. Some hosting providers even offer AI-driven optimizations for faster performance. Optimize images with AI. Large image files can significantly slow down your website. Use AI-powered image optimization tools like Tynag, ImageOptim, or Kraken.io to compress images without compromising quality. These tools use machine learning algorithms to reduce file sizes while preserving visual integrity. Implement AI-based caching. AI-powered caching solutions can dynamically cache content based on user behavior, resulting in faster page load times. Look for caching plugins or services that utilize AI algorithms to predict which content users are likely to access next and pre-cache it accordingly. Minimize code with AI. AI can help streamline your website's code by automatically removing unnecessary elements and optimizing code structure. Tools like Google's Closure Compiler and Uglify's can minify and compress JavaScript, while Xenano and CSO can do the same for CSS. Additionally, AI-based code analysis tools can identify and eliminate redundant code snippets. Use AI for content personalization. Personalized content can enhance user engagement and drive conversions. Implement AI-powered recommendation engines that analyze user behavior and preferences to deliver personalized content recommendations in real time. These recommendations can include products, articles, or other relevant content tailored to each user's interests. Optimize SEO with AI. AI-powered SEO tools can analyze your website's content structure and performance to identify optimization opportunities. Use AI-driven keyword research tools to identify high-potential keywords and optimize your content accordingly. Additionally, AI-based SEO platforms can provide insights and recommendations for improving search engine rankings and driving organic traffic. Implement AI-based performance monitoring. Regularly monitor your website's performance using AI-driven performance monitoring tools. These tools can analyze various performance metrics, such as page load times, server response times, and user interactions, to identify areas for improvement. AI algorithms can also detect performance anomalies and alert you to potential issues before they impact user experience. Optimize for mobile with AI. With the majority of web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's essential to optimize your website for mobile users. Use AI-powered tools to analyze your website's mobile performance and identify opportunities for optimization.